You got to take a look at Tesla. That stock got a nice pop yesterday after a short seller, Andrew Left, said he thinks the stock is going to rise. A short seller bets against a stock, thinks it's going to go down. Now he's a fan, thinks it's going to go up. Andrew Left is the founder of Citron Research, and he joins us now. Andrew, very good to see you again. Welcome back. You tell me why you changed your mind.
I just thought it was very dangerous being short the stock going into this quarter. Musk moved up his earnings call to this week from next week, right on top the same day that Ford was doing their earnings. The Model 3's become a big hit, and it just seems right now with the high short interest, it was a very dangerous short, and Musk has a lot of interest into making the stock go higher to around 359 come March, so his convertible debentures become security. And it just seemed it was a very dangerous short. If you take the crazy antics of Musk and you put it aside, the business is doing quite well.
That's what I was getting at. You believe that the intrinsic business, the basic business of Tesla, is going to be okay. Absent Musk and whatever he's doing, the business itself is okay. That was what changed you.
Well, I wouldn't bet. How about this? If it's not going to be okay, I wouldn't bet against the guy right now. It's probably in better shape now than it's been in the past few years because of the success of the Model 3 and the agreement they have to start building a plant in China. And they've really started to hit stride. And I just don't think the big shareholders are going to sell. If you haven't sold the past 3 years, they're not going to sell this quarter. So I thought as a shorter, it's very dangerous. And then I thought as a risk-reward, it looked promising because Tesla is just dominating the competition. Mercedes, Audi, BMW, they're even taking from Toyota and Honda. They really are just smashing it.
Okay. All right, Andrew, I want to talk to you about investing in the marijuana business. I understand. Last time you were on the show, you were considering launching a marijuana fund, as I recall. Well, I got to put it to you. What you want, what you need to really make a fund, a marijuana fund, fly is the feds changing the classification of marijuana from a drug that's linked like with heroin and cocaine to a lesser tier. That's what you really want, isn't it?
Oh, Mr. Varney, you forgot I'm a short seller. I was looking to short these stocks. So the point is, when I was on the show last time, I saw these were inflated stocks. They were going to be good shorts. I think the hysteria behind the cannabis stocks does not reflect the underlying business of them. Unlike Tesla, which builds a brand and has a moat, these are agricultural stocks. So I predicted this downdraft that we've seen.
So let me reverse myself. The very last thing you want to see is a reclassification of marijuana from 1 to 2. You don't want that because you're betting against these companies.
Oh, absolutely not. Mr. Varney, in order for me to short a stock, I need the stock to go higher. So I can't short it unless it runs higher. So I want the stock to go higher. I want there to be an enthusiasm behind it, and then I can short the stocks.
Is that all you do?
Can't short it if it doesn't go higher.
Is that your entire business? You are a short seller, that's all you do. You bet against something.
No. As you just saw, I was long Tesla. I used to be short. I'm actually the lead plaintiff against Elon Musk in the 420 tweet. So I look to make money in the stock markets. You know, any which way I can. My specialty is short selling.
You've got to be doing well today. I see the Dow now down 250 points. You're in the money again, aren't you, Andrew?
No, actually, I'm not that short going into today. I covered a lot of my shorts, my trading shorts, and thought we'd see somewhere a bounce in the market. But you know, my shorts my position shorts are still going lower, so that's good.
I got to tell you that many years ago, back in the 1980s, I was doing an interview about Eastman Kodak, and I suggested to my guest, "Why don't you short Kodak?" And he said to me, "What are you, some kind of communist?" You ever got that kind of comment there, Mr. Leff?
Yeah, you know, people who don't understand short selling might think it's unpatriotic or, you know, anti-market, but you understand that it's a good purpose for the market. So that's whoever said that to you was very naive, not to mention they gave you bad financial advice. It would have been a great short.
You were so right there. Andrew, a pleasure. Thanks for being with us, sir. Thank you much indeed. Thank you.
Nice being with you.